Bernadette here, Simply Be Art. Thank you for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a Sherry Moulton inspired painting using crushed glass and Mod Podge. I'm excited to try this painting. So let me get you down to the canvas. So I've got an A4 size canvas in front of me and I've gone ahead and painted the sides. I'm going to be using a dual color. I've got the metallics, they're both metallics, but this half is a bright silver and this is a dark silver, almost a gunmetal silver. Alright, so we'll go ahead, and this is just a test piece, first time for me to do a Sherry Moulton Bling Bling painting, so I'm excited to get going. I'm going to be using a silicone brush because I want my base to have a bit of texture. So the bottom half has got the gunmetal. I haven't watered any of this paint down. I'm using it straight from the container. This is the gunmetal. It says dark silver. It's a Dala metallic. And I'm just going to be painting the bottom half, just up and down strokes, hoping to get some nice texture in this. We'll see how it turns out. I think I need to hold the canvas. Just straight onto the canvas. I'm already liking the striations that it causes. So from the edge, nice even strokes. It probably looks like it's going to need another color, another coating, but we'll see how it dries. Just to the halfway mark. You can almost see the canvas through the color, and I like that. I really like that. So it doesn't give the, so it gives the impression of light and dark. I really like that. I think this brush is doing a good job. Yes, I like that. I'm doing feather light strokes now. I'm not putting any pressure on this brush. Just feather light strokes, all in one direction. Right. Just get some even color this side. And so you cover your canvas to the saturation that you want. I like that. Let me show you. I'm going to turn the canvas around so you can see. So that's the one half. I'm going to let this dry and then I'll bring you back when I'm ready to do the other side. So it's going to be about a second for you, about half an hour for me, but a second for you. So see you back now. Now the bottom half of my canvas has dried really beautifully. And in the meantime, while that was drying, I went to clean off my brush, and I also cleaned out my palette, and I just simply used a wet wipe, a baby wipe. I'm going to use for the top half, I will be using the light silver. It's a metallic bright silver from Dala. Just get a little bit of paint in here, and then I'm going to apply the top half of the canvas with this bright silver. Now this is where I want to cross over on this ridge. I want to cross over between the light and the dark, and that's the reason why you first have to allow your bottom half to dry. So once again, from the outer edge in, so I'm just applying it very lightly for now. I'm going to go over with another coat. It's very simple, very easy, just like painting a wall. There's no specific technique to applying this. I'm just doing it the best way that I think I'm going to get the coverage that I need, and ensuring that I have a nice overlap where the two colors meet, right there in the middle. Starting to look really gorgeous. I love the silvers. There we go. Just now it's wispy strokes, no pressure on the brush, just a little coverage there, no pressure on the brush, wispy, very light strokes. Okay, I think that's good enough. Right, now we need to give this half a little time to dry. And I'll be right back. So we're back. Our painting is dried really, really well. I want to show you the texture. I think you can see it really beautifully. That is created by using the silicone brush when you paint, when you put your paint on your canvas. So it's time to apply the crushed glass, and I'm going to be using a black color, a black crushed glass. I bought this at my local crazy store. It's just a local brand of crushed glass in black, and I'm going to use two colors of glitter. I will use the burgundy because I think it's going to give it a nice pop of color, and then I will use the silver. I'm using the silver because this is not mirror glass, it's just plain black crushed glass, and I think these colors will work well together. So the next step before we apply the glass is the coating of Mod Podge. So I've just put a little in my cup, and I'm going to apply it where the two colors meet. I don't want to apply too much, just enough to get a covering in the center. I think that's enough, right? Let me see. I say it's enough, and then I add some more. Okay, now I've got a sponge brush, which I'm going to just press it, just get a broader row or ridge or center line, let me put it that way, just to make sure that I've covered the space where the two colors meet. I think that's good. Now I'm going to make some wispy edges, just pushing it a little bit out, here and there, not everywhere. So just here and there, and creating just a nice pattern. I hope that I'm doing this well enough. I don't want to mess this one up, goof it up as they say. I think that's good. It looks good to me. Yes. Okay. Just bring some of that podge into this wispy edges just a little more. I think it's looking good. All right, let's add the glass. And this is a very I'm not sure how much glass to add, guys. I'm experimenting with this. It's the first time for me doing this, so I'm hoping that let's just first go down the middle and then in the edges. So this will only stick with the podgies, it won't stick anywhere else. I'm going to give it a little bit of a press just to make sure that there's adhesion to the glass. I hope I haven't missed any spots. Okay, haven't used much glass, but I think that's a okay coverage. Right, now I'm going to shake on the glitter. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the red subscribe button on the bottom right hand side of this video, and then click on the notification bell so that you get updated every time I post a new video. And if you like this video so far, please like it, hit the thumbs up, give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. So that's the silver glitter. So this is the burgundy glitter. We're going to use that as well, just for a pop of color. I hope it's going to complement the silver glitter in here and the black. I think that's enough. I don't want to overmuch it. Right, let's put the tops on again. Okay. So we're going to let this set not too long, and then we're going to brush off the excess and we're going to see what the final result looks like. Keep watching, everybody. I'll be right back. Okay, so our painting is dry. It has dried overnight and I'm excited to be shaking this off. I'm just going to be using an ordinary paintbrush and we're just going to shake off the excess and see what design we've got. Just getting the glitter and all the excess off. I think that's it, nothing else is falling off. I will just save this excess for another day. It's not a wasted Let me just move that out of the way now. Set it aside. Have a clean sheet. That's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty neat. What do you think? For my first try, I love it. Can you see that? Oh, it looks beautiful. I love this. What do you think, guys? Please leave your comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Please like and share. And if you haven't yet subscribed, just a reminder, please hit the red subscribe button in the bottom right hand side of this video. I'd really like it if you joined my channel. So there it is, my first Sherry Moulton inspired bling bling painting. I had a lot of fun doing this. I hope you will try it for yourself. So until next time, take care, stay well. Bye for now.